maintenance updates. I have mown. How exciting. I'm going to plant this today. And they're shooting. Hence the clicking. I'm going to dig out all the grass across this stretch here. So there'll still be a band of grass there, but there'll be none here. This is because it's going to get really difficult to keep the grass short around here, around plants. So I'm going to have this section and this section for now because that's easy to trim, and this section because that's easy to trim / let grow up, and this will fit in. I bought some dirt and some stones to lay over the top, and I think I'm going to put the train on and let it run round whilst I'm doing it. And train.
There is a humanity in a baby's eyes. I look far beyond its lack of years. It has heard no enigma variations. It has never known the sadness of tears. And everybody has got to learn to do this thing called life before we fade away. And everybody has got to learn to do this thing called life.
Yeah. Plant has been added. Gravel next. Stop. It actually goes pretty well. I'm glad I did the blue because it definitely sticks out against the rest of the colours. Green would not. Finished. Stones. Put some there as well. Extended it under the bridge a little, and also added some into here and here and here and here to try and stop the evil bison grass from taking over, which it's doing everywhere else. Had a few derailments. I also kicked it, so the handle on the side has come off, so I need to fix that. Otherwise, it's going pretty well. Which I've said twice now. Anyway, here we go. New camera. GoPro detection. I'm not sure it's actually any better in the light. I have bought these numbers from these guys, but from some shop in South Australia. Hobby Town Toys. That's 618. Wherever that is. Anyway. This is, so I made 2 sets of 83, which is the year I was born. That'll be quite good to go on there. And there. And then I'm going to do VLR. And here as well. I'm going to put that there. And there. And then, other than trying to find some gold / brass paint and maybe replace this bit of cardboard with some balsa, this is complete. Just for scale, there's my finger. You have to work out how to glue that down and then paint them. I feel like it's got to be yellow or something. I don't know. Maybe I should paint them before sticking them on. VLR 1983. VLR Engine 83. Finished. So today's plan is to stick some of these grippy things into the back of this carriage, because this is the last carriage on that train, so it can sit the GoPro in the back and either watch up the train or behind the train or out either side. So I'm just going to go through the box of stuff that I got with the kits and choose one that's suitable. So here are the accumulated parts. This sticky tab sticks to that and sticks in there, and then these little things slide in and out. I've never owned a GoPro before, so this sort of reading system is new to me. It's pretty hard to take out one-handed. It's interesting to see the difference between the actual GoPro ones and the ones from the cheap kit. They're pretty similar, except the GoPro ones have like a rubber stopper, which once they've kind of clicked in, sort of clicks back in to hold them in place, whereas these sort of use more of a, like, what you'd find on like a rucksack to click in, you know, but all work on the same basis. I think just for height-wise, one of these low ones will mean that I'd only be able to mount the GoPro sideways, because it bangs into the edges of the carriage. So I'm wondering whether one of these slightly, sort of don't want to use the GoPro ones because they might be useful for something later, so maybe I use the higher unbranded one, and that would allow it to be mounted forward or rear facing, and then they give you one of these things, which I've used one on my bike already, so this is the only other spare one, but you can mount that in there like that, and then it gives you a 90 degrees option, which I think is probably all I'd ever want. So I'm going to click some things and glue some things together, and then we'll probably have to take a picture with my phone to show the finished thing. And back to the phone. So I had to go with actually one of the proper GoPro mounts in the end, because these high ones, which I wanted to use originally, would make it too high and the centre of gravity got too much. And these little low ones were too low and I couldn't physically screw the thing in. When the GoPro is in the medium mod, it has a handy little cutout there. But these are wider than that. And so you can't actually screw the thing in. So when using the medium mod, I have to use the real ones. Anyway, so that is done. So it will go last train, so you'll get a side view as it goes round, or with the adapter we'll get a front or back view. Yeah. Little GoPro wagon. Watching you, watching me. Right, let's turn the train on. Let's hook the carriages up.
From
a success, I think.